Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed shiftable O transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.